Hey guys, welcome to the new video. So today I wanted to talk about something that I've been doing in these past 2 months. Basically, if you've been seeing my other vlogs and everything, I study in VIT Bhopal and I've been doing computer science and engineering with specialization in gaming technology. Thus, we had got a holiday in May. So basically, my parents, they were very busy with their own work. And I had nothing to do. Even my friends, they didn't have a holiday. Their exams were going on, so I didn't want to stay at home and play video games and all that. So that's why I thought that let's look for internships that where I can learn skills that can help me improve the thing that I'm doing. So basically, if you don't know about me, I actually want to become an entrepreneur as well. Entrepreneur in making video games, and that's why we had, if you've seen the last vlog, we had gone to Ashima Mall in Bhopal where the VR games that we had created, we had marketed them to people to play it. So I was not that successful in making them play those games because my poor marketing skills that I have, I don't know much about marketing. So that's why I couldn't convince them in playing the game. But after that, after all the exams went and all that, I thought that once the holidays started, I'll do an internship, a technical internship or something that is related to marketing. So I checked through Internshala. Internshala is a website which you can use to pursue internships in first year, second year or third year. So I was looking through the internships and I found this company called UrbanClap. I was not getting any technical companies. Technical internships, and even if I was getting the skills that were required for that, I had not reached those skills because I was just in first year and I had learned just intermediate C++, C#, Unity, and I just didn't want to go and want them to tell me what to do because I didn't have that much skill, that much knowledge about these things. So that's why when I went to the internships, I saw this company called UrbanClap, and they were offering a internship in sales, business sales. Yeah, I had this bad experience and I thought that basically I could learn marketing. It was a really good experience. If you don't know what's UrbanClap, UrbanClap is actually a company which gives you services like cleaning, plumbers, electricians, carpenters, gym trainers, guitar teachers. They have 80 plus categories where you can hire people to help you. They basically have the application called UrbanClap Partner, which help people to take up jobs, and they help them to basically just give them jobs, make them an earning, help themselves too in the procedure. So actually I joined this company in May, and it was a really nice experience. I learned how to convince people, how to work in a corporate space actually, and everything, how to basically work out as a team and get these targets done in a week. It was a really good experience. I think after doing this internship, my marketing skills have improved drastically, and in the next Business Expo, I may able to convince 2, 3, 4 people more in playing my game. It was an amazing experience actually. I really loved it. So I had made a small vlog of the last day and I just wanted to show you guys. So here.
Come follow me to a secret place where only the moon can see. Beyond the shores, there is something more, just waiting for you and me.
Hi Varsha. Hello.
Come follow me.
So basically, then after that, they told me suddenly to come into the public meeting room, and then I found out that actually they have kept a surprise for us as it was our last day. So they had ordered a cake. So I was told to give a speech before going. So this was the speech that I gave. Come here, there are a lot of things that I didn't know, like coming late and like punctuality actually, because if you've seen the official timings are 10 o'clock. Even in the letter it's written. So I come at 11, 12. And the thing I learned is punctuality. The place that where I was working in, actually it's 18 kilometers away from my house, and I didn't have any transportation facilities to go there. So basically what I did was that I used to go by cycle sometimes. I used to cycle 18 kilometers till there. If you are staying in Pune, you might know that I stay in Vadgaon Sheri, and the place was in Baner, so it is 17 to 18 kilometers. So sometimes I used to go by cycle, sometimes one of the interns used to drop me there, and while coming back I used to come in bus, and sometimes I used to go in local bus as well. So because of that, local bus Pune traffic is really terrible, and because of that I used to always reach late, like 11, 10, 12. The time was actually 10. I had to reach office at 10, and many times I have reached at 10, but the thing is that many times thoda ho jata hai. So basically that's why at the start of the speech I speak about punctuality. So first, then I learned from Steve sir leadership qualities, like how he and Shubhankar sir as well.
Like, share and subscribe.
पैसा खिलाया लगता है.
So I learned this and learned from Shubhankar sir how to lead people, because I've seen like how he manages the pros. Nobody else, like according to me, he manages the pros very well. And even Shubhankar sir, his leadership is because the reason why we are having so many good peaks. Like as I've seen every time, even when I go to his office or outside, like he's always seeing the results that we are doing. And basically I learned a lot of things, like to convince people, and also about things I learned about myself, that I still need to grow in many ways, and my behavior and everything. But it was a really good experience and I enjoyed a lot. Thank you everybody.
All yours. Steve sir, go ahead. Steve sir का पैसा वसूल हो गया. अरे और किसी के फोन में leadership feel.
That was the last day of my internship, and I would like to say it was really amazing. I had a lot of fun. I made those interns, that the rest of the interns, they have become like really good friends of mine. So it was a really fun time I had, and thank you so much UrbanClap for this experience, and thank you for watching, guys. So if you liked it, please give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel, as we always have fun content for you to watch. Thank you, guys.